The film is about to start. Phrase: be about to do something. For talking about the immediate future. About to is not a tense. It is a special structure that we use to talk about the immediate future. If you are about to do something, you are going to do it very soon. What is the structure of about to? The structure of about to is subject plus be plus about to plus base verb. The film, this is the subject, the film is about to start. The film is about to start. In this structure, the verb be is conjugated. For example, am, are, is. The base verb does not change, of course. Look at these examples.